Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Today, we're diving into the Nood Flasher 2.0 kit, an IPL laser hair removal device that promises pain-free and permanent results. This device is marketed as suitable for both women and men, offering visible results after just a few uses. Let's see if this product lives up to the hype. The Nood Flasher 2.0 kit comes with a complete treatment system designed to help you achieve smooth, hair-free skin. The kit includes the Flasher 2.0 device, along with two companion products, Revealer and Reviver, to enhance your IPL experience. The device is designed to work on most skin and hair types, offering a safe and effective solution to unwanted hair. You're instructed to exfoliate with the Revealer before your treatment, then use the Flasher 2.0 to target hair, and finally, soothe your skin with the Reviver post-treatment. The device claims to deliver visible results within 8 weeks, with only 2 treatments required per week. Now let's talk about real-world usage. When I first received the Nood Flasher 2.0, I was excited but skeptical about how well it would perform. Setting it up was straightforward and the device felt solid in my hand. I followed the instructions carefully, first exfoliating with the Revealer, which left my skin feeling refreshed and prepped. The Flasher 2.0 is easy to use with multiple intensity settings, which makes it adaptable to different areas of the body. During treatment, I found it to be quite comfortable with minimal discomfort, which is a big win for those wary of IPL treatments. After using it, my skin felt a bit warm, but not irritated. However, there are a few things worth mentioning. While the device is relatively user-friendly, it's not the quickest IPL device I've used. The treatment process, especially for larger areas like the legs, can take some time. Additionally, the results weren't as instant as I had hoped. After a few sessions, I did notice some hair reduction, but it wasn't as dramatic as I expected based on the claims. This could vary depending on skin and hair type, so it's something to keep in mind. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Nood Flasher 2.0 is easy to use, comfortable, and works well on a variety of skin tones and hair colors. It also has a sleek design that makes it appealing for anyone looking to invest in a professional-grade device at home. The Revealer and Reviver add extra value to the kit, providing a complete hair removal experience. On the downside, it's a bit slower compared to some other IPL devices, and the results may take longer to appear, depending on your hair type. The initial cost is also something to consider, though it could save you money on salon treatments in the long run. When evaluating value for money, the Nood Flasher 2.0 falls into the mid to high price range for IPL devices. Given the included accessories and the overall build quality, it's a reasonable investment, especially if you're looking for a long-term solution for hair removal. However, there are other IPL devices at a lower price point that may offer comparable performance, but they might not include the same level of convenience with the pre- and post-treatment products. In comparison to similar products on the market, the Nood Flasher 2.0 holds up well in terms of quality, but it does take a bit more time to deliver noticeable results. Some other IPL devices promise quicker results, though they might not include soothing products like the Revealer and Reviver. If you're looking for a more affordable option, there are alternatives that offer the basic IPL function without the added extras, but they may lack the skin-soothing benefits provided by this kit. The build quality of the Nood Flasher 2.0 feels premium. The materials used in both the device and the accessories are durable, and the device has a comfortable weight to it. I haven't had it long enough for an in-depth long-term review, but initial impressions suggest it will hold up well over time with proper care. As for customer support, I didn't need to interact with the company directly, so I can't speak from personal experience. However, Nood is known for offering excellent customer service, so if you do encounter any issues, you can expect a helpful response. To wrap up, the Nood Flasher 2.0 is a solid option for those who want an at-home IPL hair removal solution with a little extra care. It's easy to use, effective for many skin types, and comes with useful pre- and post-treatment products. However, the process is a bit slower compared to some other options on the market, and the results may take time. If you're patient and willing to invest in a complete system, This could be a great addition to your skincare routine. If this review was helpful to you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty enthusiasts can discover this video too. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you've tried this product, let me know about your experience. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to purchase the Nood Flasher 2.0 in the comments box. Until next time, stay smooth and keep shining.